Of all the investing opportunities, purchasing fine art may be the most rewarding from both a financial and a personal perspective. Hi, I'm Ebonique, the founder of Budget Collector.
And in this video, I will describe the major benefits of art buying, including low exposure to risk, low volatility in the market, large possible returns, enjoyment of your investment. Now let's get to it. Contemporary art is less likely to depreciate in value than other investments. Art gallery owners, museums, artists, and collectors typically limit the amount of sales of their acquired work to keep the value at cost or higher. So basically, for each art investment, you have a team of people who actively work to protect the value and increase the value of your investment. Each of those actors will work to protect the value of these pieces, and the only people who may actively work to reduce the value would be art forgers. An increase in art forgeries may cause the validity of the work to be questioned. However, that risk can be mitigated by working with a reputable art advisor who would help you secure documents that prove the work's provenance. An advisor can also help you secure pieces that are more likely to give a large possible return. According to art market research, the price of art has risen more than 1,000% in the last 40 years. These kinds of returns have the investment world very interested, with even large investment funds opening art accounts to diversify their portfolios.
The greatest reward is the ability to enjoy your investments. A room without art is your canvas, and a choice to take a conscious step towards reshaping the collective world by purchasing items that showcase who you really are and what you value. Budget Collector started to help more middle-class investors enter the art world. Art advisors can often charge large retainer fees and push you towards certain work to increase their commissions. However, Budget Collector charges a relatively low monthly fee that can be paused or canceled at any time. To learn more, please visit our website, www.budgetcollector.org.